Hi guys, welcome to the unboxing and quick review of this SecuX W20 cryptocurrency hardware wallet. I'm going to do the unboxing and show you a little bit how it works, and then I'm talking about security, safety, and let you know what I think about this device. I mean, based on the description, they are using military grade Infineon security element or chips, and it comes tamper-proof, sealed, with secured firmware. And regarding keys and passwords, they are using these BIP standards, which is really good. I'm going into that a little bit later. So here you can see how we get it. It comes fully sealed already outside. Then also some additional seals on both sides here. That's really important because such a device could get stolen on the way or in the Amazon warehouse or so, and then somebody could change the firmware, and these seals make sure that you get it in original firmware condition. So here we have it. And here we can see also an additional seal here on the side. And you can see regarding the stickers, it's impossible to put it back. Here you can see how it would look if the seal was broken and reapplied. So that's an additional protection, of course. Then we get additional stuff here. Some instructions here about passphrase and hidden wallet. Yeah, it has a very interesting function here regarding the hidden wallet, and I think especially with hardware wallets this can help a lot, that you have your standard wallet where you have just very few money on it. This is especially for the case if you get kidnapped and somebody wants to pressure you to release the money at gunpoint. You can then go to the standard wallet and give them the money, but the majority of your crypto in the hidden wallet is still safe. That's really nice. Then we get the charging cable, standard micro USB, comes also with a nice carry pocket, and then the starting guide. Here you can see also again the difference how it looks when it's tampered or when the seal is intact. Some safety information, security information, device setup. That's really nice here that it's everything described in a short, quick start guide. Also comes with the Bluetooth connection and the app in the Apple Store and the Android store. And then you get 2 recovery sheets where you can write down your recovery seeds. And this is one of the most important points, that it supports these BIP standards, because as long as you have your recovery seed words, no matter what happens, no matter if you lose this device or it breaks or this company goes out of business, you will always be able to recover your funds. That's the most important thing here. I've done this already before, not with this wallet but with another wallet, and it worked absolutely perfectly because the company went out of business and I've been able to recover everything. So this is definitely something which is working. So let's plug it in and charge and see how this works. We get a nice welcome screen here. Get started. You can enter your personal PIN here. And then you have the option to either create a new wallet or recover from an existing wallet. I create a new one here. And then it's explaining everything about these 24 recovery words. And then you get all the words here. I'm not going to show you everything here, of course. And then after that, you have to confirm all the words to make sure that you have written down all the words here. So I'm going to show you only the first word here. The first word was exhaust. And you can see it has been confirming that. Okay, after confirming, it says congratulations, device is now set up successfully, and so I can access my portfolio now. Very easy, touchscreen works really good. Of course, now when we are here, we have to add an account. There's no portfolio here, and so we can scan the code here and go to the website and start adding our account and all tokens and everything. And so you can find all the information here. Really nice. So of course I haven't done everything now. There will be much more work needed to add the token and so on, but it looks like everything is really nicely described, straightforward. I didn't have any problems so far. We click on add tokens, then everything is nicely described how it works. So at the moment everything looks really good, really nice. Here on the left side we have the menu with Bluetooth, the hidden wallet, reset, 50 minutes log, name, pin, seed, about. So I'm not going into everything, but you can see everything works really nicely. I mean, when you deal with such a wallet, you have to dig into the crypto a little bit more than maybe you think at the moment, and so you can use maybe Explorer.io, something like that, to get all the information about the tokens which you want to add here. And so at the end it's the same thing like if you were using MyEther wallet or something like that, but it's much more convenient here. The only thing which I've heard like complaints about adding tokens here is that it could be a little bit difficult, that the technical information about the tokens are not automatically provided, but it's anyway highly recommended to go like to websites like Explorer.io and do your research about the tokens. And then you will find everything what you need, like the contract addresses and everything. So of course this is not a 5 minutes job, but everything is doable, and it looks like it's very good and stable and works solid. But there has always been a major complaint about the SecuX, and this is because they are not using open source, and I've been worried about that also a little bit at the beginning, and I did some research about that, and it is really true that some of the competitors are using some parts of open source, the Trezor a little bit more, the NanoS a little bit less, and this one not at all. But at the end of the day, you will never know, you will never ever know what's here really inside. Even if some company is publishing their source code as open source, you will never know what's really here inside. So at the end of the day, you will always have to trust this company. That's the big thing here. So you only have to do your research about this company, and I mean, I haven't found anything bad about that. So I think it's comparable to Trezor, Nano, or whatever. You really have to trust the company, and so probably at the end of the day it's not a big difference, and I think that's a really nice device. Everything looks good at the moment, so I can give you full recommendation, and I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.